In this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram region. To start, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your personal profile page. Once there, tap on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down to the Public Business Information section and select Contact Options. From here, tap on Location. If you already have a location added, remove it by selecting Remove Address. Now, go ahead and enter your new details, such as the street, city, and postal code, into the appropriate fields. Once you've entered everything, tap Done in the top right corner. Finally, hit Save to apply the changes. Head back to your profile page, and you'll now see your updated location displayed. And that's it.